Get to know to our patron saint. Saint Martin de Porres, born December 9, 1579 in Lima, Peru, son of Don Juan de Porres, Spanish nobleman, and Ana Velázquez, a freedwoman, African or mixed in descent, entered the Dominican convent of the Holy Rosary in the Lima, first as a servant, later admitted as a lay brother, knowing for humility, prayer, and service to the poor and sick regardless of race or class. Experienced racial discrimination due to his mixed heritage. Died on November 3, 1639 in Lima, Peru, beatified in 1837 by Pope George XVI, canonized in 1962 by Pope John XXIII. Feast Day, November 3, patron saint of social justice, racial harmony, and public health worker.